Assalamu alaikum my dear student. Today we will be going with the second part of PHP and that is related to how to execute. Step by step each and every process I will be going. So please beta see to it that you note down the steps and the things what are required. So how to execute PHP. For executing PHP what we will be doing here. First of all, type the above program and save it with .php. Okay, so you will be giving the extension helper. Now here simple is the abc.php. Same thing where if you want to store the file in HTML, what we give .html. So here we will be writing .php. Using any text editor, for example, Notepad is there or Getter. We are most probably using Notepad in our computer, so we can go with that. Now what we will do, then we will create the folder with your name. Any name of variable means any name which is you are and putting it in the www.html. Then what we are doing, we will be saving the file with .php and then file in the folder, and then we can go to the browser and type the year. From where you are taking, just type that or browse it from there and you will be getting the coding. Next, PHP case sensitive. Now what is case sensitive means? These 2 points which is basically about it. Variable names are case sensitive. Variable, the var name means upper letter and the lower letter is called as the case. Upper letter, if it is not, see here PHP I am giving it, and if I written the other part of it, again I am executing that PHP, I am writing it, it will be showing that the syntax error. So this is one of the errors which is most clear, that is your case sensitive. You already have seen many times you go with the mail and you write a capital M, it will be showing that mail is not valid. Same now. So this is only the certain keywords are there which can be function. It is not case sensitive, is insensitive, and the function names are. So means case sensitive is only those things that is the basically our variable. Other keywords that is if, else statement, other things is not a case sensitive. I hope you understand it. Number. Okay. So what you are going with, variable names will not ever be start with the numbers. Okay. Next, a variable name can only contain alphanumeric character and underscore. Means you will be having the alphabets as well as numbers with it. Variable names are case sensitive. Now already I told variable has we initialized it will be case sensitive. If you are going now, simple example, $age and $age are 2 different variables now. And if you are calling $age right now, and again if, by writing you forgot and the caps locks are on and you are writing in the uppercase letter, then it will not be accepting your variables. This is one thing. Next is different variable scopes. What are the different variable scope we are having? There are 3 different variables: local variable, global variable, and your static variable. These are the 3 variables which are there in your PHP. लोकल वेरिएबल जो वेरिएबल आप डिक्लेयर कर रहे हैं फंक्शन के अंदर, जो फंक्शन कहते हैं उसे लोकल कहते हैं. ग्लोबल वेरिएबल विच इज डिक्लेयर आउटसाइड द फंक्शन इज कॉल्ड हैज ग्लोबल वेरिएबल. व्हाइल स्टैटिक वेरिएबल, इफ वी वांट अ लोकल नॉट टू बी डिलीट देन यूज स्टैटिक. मुझे लोकल वेरिएबल अगर डिलीट नहीं करना है तब मैं स्टैटिक वर्ड यूज करके उसको यूटिलाइज करेंगे, मतलब इट इज इंटीग्रेटेड विद दैट. तो 3 वेरिएबल्स है, एक लोकल वेरिएबल्स, एक ग्लोबल वेरिएबल. ये मेन थिंग है. इफ इन योर MCQs it will be asking what are the different variables which are in PHP, and they give as local, static, dynamic, global. Many of them will be going with dynamic. So basically it may be help you in the form of MCQ. So better go with this and put it. Maybe it will be also go with your fill in the blanks, another part of it. So better go to it. Next is PHP data types. हमने क्या देखा था, डेटा टाइप्स बहुत तरह के हमने जावास्क्रिप्ट में भी देखा ऑलरेडी, हमारी वीडियो जावास्क्रिप्ट में कौन कौन से डेटा टाइप्स है हमारे, वो सब है। सो सेम थिंग यहाँ पर भी अप्लाइड है। यहाँ पे आपका डेटा टाइप स्ट्रिंग भी हो सकता है, इंटीजर भी हो सकता है। अब मैं एक चीज़ बता दूँ, इंटीजर इज व्हाट वेयर यू हैविंग अ डेसिमल पॉइंट एंड फ्लोट इज अ विच इज you will be getting absolute approximate where the your dot will not be, that is decimal point will not be seen. And boolean is what, true and false. What is the array? Array will be regarding us your storage of your things, that is a it will be in the form of matrices, another that if you have gone with, this is the form of row and column. Null value is that the value which does not get give any response, that is null equal to 0 only. This is one of the things. Now some example one example I have taken up. One can check the data types of variable using var dump. Now this is null value. If you have seen this, data type I have given as null value. Okay, next, comments in PHP. What's comments in PHP? Comments क्या होता है? मतलब कभी कभी हमें ऐसा होता है कि हमें अगर कोडिंग करना होता है तो हम एक पार्ट में आपको इनिशियलाइज भाई ये चीज़ इसके लिए यूटिलाइज हो रहा है, या अगर आप कोई वेरिएबल भाई ए जो वेरिएबल हमने $a लिया है ये इनिशियलाइज फर्स्ट नंबर भी, तो ये कमेंट्स डालना हम लोग के लिए बेसिकली हमारे लिए और अदर्स को जो प्रोग्रामर्स होते हैं जो सीखते हैं उनके लिए बहुत बेनिफिशियल होते हैं। So that is, comments are the statements in PHP code which are not visible in output. ये output पे आपको नहीं दिखेगा, ये is just for it ignore execution, is just for the understanding we use these comments. A single line comment is possible. One adds double hash or your hash, double line or hash before a statement in the PHP. ये जो आपका दिख रहा है ये वाला, ये क्या है, बैकस्लैश डबल डालोगे तो हो सकता है, या आप हैश डालोगे तो। और दूसरा मल्टीपल कमेंट्स हमको करना है तब हम ये वाला लेंगे, बैक हैश विद एस्ट्रिक एंड क्लोजिंग विद द एस्ट्रिक एंड देन बैक हैश. This is how the comments. So hope you understand the concept of PHP. सेम थिंग है, हर जगह आपको बेसिकली कॉन्सेप्ट क्या क्या है वो आपको समझना है. HTML में भी आप जाओगे तो वहाँ पर भी आपको कमेंट्स मिलते हैं, वहाँ पर भी आपके पास डेटा टाइप्स होते हैं, वेरिएबल्स होते हैं. सिमिलरली मैंने जावास्क्रिप्ट में भी आपको बहुत सारे, अगर आप प्रीवियस वीडियोस ऑफ जावास्क्रिप्ट एंड अदर यू विल बी गोइंग, यू विल बी कमिंग टू नो हाउ all the language, whether all the programming language, they will be containing these basic things so that it will help you to understand. So please go through it and have a note of it. Not now here maybe in MCQs they will be what are two comments in PHP. They will be, then if it is single line, multi line or whatever they are, you will be choosing it. So better go with all these points and be clear with all the things. If you are not clear, you can't be able to do the coding. That's it. So thank you for watching my video, my dear students. Please go through that, and the students who are still not going with the video and not seeing it, better please go with the previous videos. Have a session of all the videos with you and start making your notes, because most probably as the board exams are coming near to near and we have to be careful about that. So better be thanks for watching my video, and please my dear student, you subscribe the channel so that you get the latest notifications and other things. Jazakallah khair.